Happy Saturday! It's finally the unboxing of my ColorStreet Kit. Let's look at what we've got here. We've got nail strips, and I'll go over all these later, one by one. We've got some lip products. There's a couple blushes. Get some of this out of the way. Hand lotion. A nail buffer and file. Cuticle oil. Prep pads. Oops. Some samples. Little catalogs. More samples. Some more catalogs. Another nail file. My Stylist launch guide. I definitely need to read through that. There's a lot to learn. And my favorite thing, the tote bag. Just look at all these things that came in this kit. Such a good price for what I paid. I paid $79 and it's well over $300 worth of stuff. And now I get to share the wonderful ColorStreet with everybody that asks and I run into that's curious about my nails. There's one of the files, and here's the other file. I've got 25 each of these How Do You Hue and Tokyo Lights. We have Watermelon Session in a Petite, Tokyo Lights, Glitter Days Ahead, Coming Up Rose Gold, Beijing Beauty, Aquatic Behavior, It Takes Tucson, High Tide, and Meet Me in Paris as the French. If anybody has any questions about any of these, please let me know in the comments below. Here are the prep pads, the cuticle oil, and the hand lotion. And the cuticle oil and hand lotion have virtually no odor whatsoever. And the hand lotion is really nice too, not greasy. Here's the blushes. They have some really pretty colors. And then one's a cream and one is the powders. I guess they call the cream ones the balms. I got to try one of those here soon too. I've tried the powders. They're great. Here's the lipstick in VIP and a lip liner in Darling, and then the tinted lip balm, which is really neat because it works with your pH, so everyone's color might be a little bit different. Well, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed looking at all of it as much as I did. Thanks for taking some time out for me today and joining me. Have a great day and rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.